bloody sweet, bloody sweet, bloody sweet, bloody sweet.
So you got the car key? Nice. So we are going in red car today.
Every day different car.
Chai for Raja. Hey guys, welcome back everyone to the another episode of searching room for Mr. Saiju. Anyway, we are finalized almost today, so we are going to finalize and give advance for the room, right sir?
Exactly, that's what we are going.
Okay, let's go and finalize. Jani? Who is Jani? Okay, Raja. Dr. Raja, play by Raja. See you. Okay, let's start the journey. Arjun. Sexy boy. Raja, which car we are going today?
When you come, they will put this one, Singham.
Raja, which car today? Oh my god. This is the car we are going to travel today. So let's see.
He doesn't know.
Raja, you don't even know how to drive a car. What is this? You'll take front, back, reverse. Yalla guys, let's go. Hey Raja. Okay, all set to go. Our driver is back. Arjun is here. Saiju is here. Sleeping. How much we spent that day?
What waste? Only 300 dirham we can take. 1,300 dirham waste.
That's what I said.
The waste is little, waste is okay.
Totally try.
People are finding very nice restaurant.
She is finding
Turn right on the 11th south in direction of Abu Dhabi.
तो मैंने इधर का
In
जिया
400 meters,
ये
use the left two lanes to stay to the left the
wide
11th
is
south
wide
in
or
direction of
holding
Abu Dhabi.
different. See how here they
What you love?
If you want to take anything in Dubai, slow down a vehicle, no problem, don't get bloody.
Even if someone hit from your back, also no problem. Huh?
Yes, we are going, everyone is coming slow, right? So don't need
Okay. So you will take us back on time today or no?
hopefully I'm trying my best. It depends upon the traffic, whatever cars.
Yeah, there's no traffic at all, Raja.
that time
Aviation College.
Aviation college.
Use either lane to stay to the left to the 83 out.
Rajniti Maran is now 1 hour out of money. This
people and even give salary.
but this year Kavya Maran is so disappointed.
But they are making money.
The thing is, okay, Chennai we can
You
blame.
know, even I heard recently one interview.
Which one, sir?
This team, they every this is something tax. This owners they are saving some taxes. Yeah, 7,000 crores tax.
With this IPL,
Yes.
they are turning all the black money into white money.
I don't know that one. but there is some clauses and all this entertainment is in taxes. They have some reduction and all. So the profitability they have less tax. I don't know.
So right now the Sunrisers Hyderabad team, I still remember, it's like 2021 India team for the T20 World Cup.
Raja will remember all the date and time perfectly. Why it is 2021 India team.
You know, this is not just, this is some taxes. These people have tax. You know, why these film stars buying luxury car?
Yeah, sir, of course. I know that because the entertainment tax is more. So.
No, this is a luxury car. Even film star become Raja is a film star. He got 1 crore remuneration. In that, how many percentage you need to give tax, Mr. Raja?
27 or 37%?
Yeah, 30. Not the 27. More than 30.
37.
37 maybe.
Tax.
No. For
Cinema
the,
revenue.
even film, even your-
Entertainment.
You get one movie, one CR remuneration. In that, I have 30 plus.
Percentage, 37% something.
30 lakhs, you need to give tax.
Tax.
If you buy a luxury car, maybe 3 crore something, you don't need to pay that much taxes. That is also luxury tax. This is under better, you know. They can balance it. That's why they are buying this.
That's why Hardik Pandya buying this 7 crore watch.
Yes,
You know?
exactly. They are buying this luxury products.
Raja is going to buy now. Which one?
They're getting 5
you
crore,
said
then
some.
they 127.
Yeah, AP. Buy AP.
Something you need to give tax also.
Use the left 3 lanes to continue
That's why now
straight
everyone
on
tagging to
33
Nirmala
Alpine
Sitharaman
Street.
when he got 27.
Yes, sir.
Now see.
Hairdresser.
No,
Like now,
hairdresser.
what mine team is like food service associates. But end of the day, waiter.
F&B associates.
Here was what they doing? Waiter, bike waiters.
Raja is so disappointed. Don't say like that.
Which one?
Then who is Raja?
But the women resource executive.
You know what I told them when I went to India? I told them, okay, where you are working? I said, I work for a hotel. He said, hotel? There will be waiter or cashier. What?
This is 20 years before, this is the mentality.
Yeah, exactly.
Now,
Some old-
this is not the mentality.
Some old people still have the same mentality.
Yeah, now, that's why I'm saying, now, who's 20 years old?
When मेरा भाई को मैं एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा रेस्टोरेंट का होटल का डिफरेंस.
In 1
Of course.
kilometer,
See, even if you say hotel, it's a place to eat for
No,
people.
in India, in my place, it's still like that. We'll tell them, okay, I had a food in hotel, that's it.
Even we know what is cafeteria, we know what is a restaurant, we know what is a fine dine restaurant, what is hotel. Even some vendor, many people, even मेरा भाई को होता है होटल. अभी बताया वो मैं इसको मालूम नहीं. वो होटल सोच के पहले सोचता था होटल जाके कोई.
They will make 3-4 kilos of lakdi. You will put some this big pots, and that one outside they will cook.
मट का फूड
Campfire.
And
उसमें
next
खाना
to that
बनाते
there will
हैं.
be some sitting area.
वो
Whenever
लोग
any
ये है ना उससे वाला कोयर का बैठना वाला कोयर में बनाते हैं.
वो उसका जूट का
हाँ.
मोड़ा.
हम लोग कोयर पे बनाते हैं, आप तो जूट पे बनाते हैं.
That is called dhaba. So उसमें क्या होता है, people are coming, they will see, okay, what he is cooking, they will say, okay, give me this. Restaurant, it's okay, yeah, sir, hi, welcome to we like to start with some
साउथ इंडिया में भी है ना डब्बा सेम नॉर्थ पंजाबी स्टाइल डब्बा है वही से कोयर का ब्रेकफास्ट वाला रहते हैं उसमें बैठते हैं खाना.
will ask,
Continue straight for
still
15
water
minutes to
sparkling,
exit 30D
you
63
like to
in the
have
direction of
room
Jumeirah.
temperature or no? So after still, then you would like to have Italian water, Springs water, or you want normal local water?
If I want Scottish water, can I get?
Scottish water, Raja can arrange. Scotland, right? I cannot.
Scotland and New Zealand have the purest water in the planet.
I will call you for interview, right?
What about India?
अच्छा manager, then they
Okay,
Your destination.
we have arrived at our destination. Let's go and pay the token amount and confirm the room.
कितना पे करना सर?
1000 क्या?
1 month.
Here is the building which we came yesterday to finalize, and now we'll give the advance and we'll finalize everything. Let's get inside.
Confirm करना है.
Driver came early today. Cold? What's next? Where we are going?
Now we will go back to Orleans.
No, before we'll go, we have to eat something.
We'll eat something in. You eat something in this one. What you call this one? The world famous Oasis cafeteria.
Well famous oasis.
Yes. Chicken puff microwaved.
Okay.
Number one star. Yes. Then we have another option of star one. Basi biryani with fresh rice.
Biryani is available there?
Biryani. Star one.
Star one. Okay.
Basi biryani with what you call fresh rice.
Okay.
And then we will see. See, there is Diamond Caesar also. They have 20 dirham only. Beard shape 20 dirham. We have beard, so it's okay.
To have a little beer. So, okay, let's go and ask Saiju what's his plan. If there is nothing,
His plan is nothing.
if there is nothing, we'll go. We'll have some snack and drink.
And
we'll
before
go.
that, we need to stop at one important place
For?
for our tomorrow's item.
Okay, fine. We'll plan on the way. Okay, so let's go to Saiju and ask what is plan. Sir, room is done. All done. Are you happy?
Yes, happy.
So okay. So
Close the
close the
deal with the studio.
Okay. Fine, done. So where we are going now?
We want to go to ATM, get the money, give to Arjun.
Okay.
And, we will go back to this petrol station and put some petrol for Raja.
Before going to petrol station, we'll go to petrol station. Then maybe after going into our area, we'll have some drink.
What? Motor City, no idea.
Something.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Raja want to go to KP Chai.
No, I don't. KP chai. I was just told him there's a chai shop which you can try.
It's good, no? KP Chai is famous. Famous. Okay, Arjun is leaving. Yes, Arjun? Okay. See you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.
Fuel is in that side or this side?
What do you want?
No.
He is asking where is the fuel
I think
opening.
this side.
That's it.
Okay, fine. See you, good night, bye-bye.
So take care.
What you can do if it is crowd, also go and stand in the queue. Other option. எங்க இருக்கு ஓப்பனிங் அந்த சைடு தானே அப்போ போங்க அதில் போங்க என்ன என்ன போங்க இதில் போங்க இந்த காரை பின்னாடி போங்க ராஜா
அவன் அங்க போறது வெயிட் பண்றாங்க
அவன் அங்கே போட்டு நீங்கள் இதில் போங்க சார் ராஜா எல்லாருக்கும் வழி கொடுக்கும் சார். பெட்ரோல் பம்பில் கூட எல்லாருக்கும் வழி கொடுக்கும்.
என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன் இதே நம்ம 5 நிமிஷம் என்ன வர நேரத்தில் என்ன
9 மணி காலைக்கு 9:30 போவீங்களா?
அதுக்கு நான் அதுக்கு நான் 7 கிளம்பி வருவேன் வீட்டில் இருந்து.
தேடுங்க, லிவரை தேடுங்க. மொபைலில் டார்ச் அடிச்சு தேடுறீங்களா? நம்ம ஊர்லேயும் இதே மாதிரி ஃபியூல் ரேட் இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்கும்ல. சேம் ஜிடோர் மாதிரியே விட்டாங்க பாருங்க. நம்ம அந்த பார்க்கிங் ஷோல்டர் சாப்பிட போகிறது. ஓகே இங்கே இருக்கு டோருக்கு பாருங்க சைடில் ராஜா. டோருக்கு இங்கே இருக்கு. இதில் இல்லை உள்ளே போய் பார்க்குறதா இருந்தால் பாருங்கள். டீசல் இது ஒரு தடவை உள்ள போய் ஓகே போங்க ராஜா உள்ள.
இப்படி போகிறது இது ஸ்கூல் இது அதை தான் சொன்னேன்.
சரி ஓகே திஸ் டைம் ஐ எம் ராங். பின்னாடி வண்டி அதை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. பார்க்கிங் இருக்கான்னு பார்ப்போம். டீசோன்லாம் டே பார்க்கிங் பண்ணுறவங்க
இது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். ஆனால் இப்போ 8 o'clock ஆயிடுச்சு. பிரச்சனை
இல்லாட்டி
வெளியே வந்து
அதில் போட்டுடலாம். அது சி தானே. சிடி 2 ஒன்று தான் இந்த டைமில். பார்க்கிங் போடுங்க, நடந்து போய்க்கலாம். ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஒரு டைம் என்ன சொல்லிச்சு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? ரவா சாப்பிட்டா நெஞ்சிலே ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். இப்போ ராஜா டோன்ட் பி டூ சைடட் ராஜா. நீங்கள் என்ன சார் பண்ணலாம்? குழைச்சி போங்க. எப்படி இருக்கு?
As you can see, now we are having our dinner. We are just back after eating too many dosas.
Too many, only 2.
Still it's too many.
Raja, double decker bus. Okay, let's go home. Okay, வீட்டுக்கு போக போறோம். அம்மா சார் வேட்டைக்காரன் வர்றதை பார்த்து பட்டு கலகலக்கு.
இன்னும் கலகலாக
பட்டக்கத்தி
பட்டி தொட்டியா
பட்டக்கத்தி பல பலக்க பட்டி தொட்டி கலகலக்கு. ஹலோ, வாட் யூ ஆர் சேயிங் ராஜா?
நீங்கள் கூட சொல்லுங்கள்.
உங்க தம்பி உங்க
இதே கண்டுக்கல. வண்டி வந்தது போனது எதே கண்டுக்கல.
நடந்து வர்றான் வேட்டைக்காரன் பாமரனின் கூட்டுக்காரன். ஓகே, we reached. Raja, thank you. See you. Good night. Bye bye. Take care.
Take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I came back to home. So time is 9:30. Already we are so exhausted. From morning 9 it started, so it's 9:30 now. So let's get sleep and see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.